ja. All right, let's go. Good morning, guys. Good morning. And my phone is loud. Shh. So today I think I want to make a new enemy and draw some awesome items for my dude, my defender. And then after that we're going to do the Iron Man challenge. How about we work on this skeleton? Shouldn't be too difficult, right? We get some stuff here. And then this stuff. Yeah. Oh, I see. The armor is drawn on top. So if we make that a little bit tinier and then move this to the right. Actually, something like that. Does it fit? I mean, almost. I suppose it's fine, and then we can get this stuff right here. And somehow merge that together. How does it look? Not really good. Wait, is this looping? Hello there, Killer Feature, good morning. Wait, was that playing twice? I thought I played RimWorld. It shouldn't be. Should just be RimWorld. Good morning, Yova, hello there. Hey, Yova. I'm still working on the vault. I'm sorry I haven't sent you anything yet. I've been trying to catch up to everything. I hope you don't mind. I'm still working on it, so I've not forgotten you. Take your time, lol. Yeah, I put myself under pressure because, you know, I told you that I was gonna give it to you. And, you know, I wanna keep my word. Hello there, Reticide. Good morning. How is it? It's going good. Thanks for asking. We're gonna make some new enemy today. The highly armored enemy. And let's see here. Good morning. Hello there, bro. What are you doing? I'm drawing an enemy. It is basically the same skin of an enemy that I already have in the game. No worries. It'll be ready when it's ready. Smiley face. That's great to hear. Yeah, it is a 3-hour recording, and I will also upload pictures to YouTube, the ones that I use in my videos. And if you want, I don't know, like, how experienced are you with DaVinci Resolve? Do you need me to give you some tips how I do certain things? Maybe to improve workflow, or are you really good at DaVinci and you don't need any help? Most of it has 3. I'm searching commit where the code was working because someone broke our code. What type of application are you working on? I think I'm just gonna put that. But then it doesn't look like armor. Which is precisely what I want. I guess it's fine though. I'll put 2 here. You could give me tips just for the sake of it, but I should be able to do most things or be able to figure it out. Yeah, like for example, I have hotkeys to cut things very fast. Maybe you don't have them. And they save so much time. You know, you don't have to like spend that much time editing or cutting things out. Or yeah, I don't have any hotkeys, that would be useful. Yeah. And then I could send you some of my files that I use to edit a little bit faster as well. Okay, that looks somewhat decent. Man, I'm excited to play some more World of Warcraft today. I've been having fun. I'm searching commit where the code. It's really terrible, and this is I'm working on a tool to generate Angular application in monorepo ecosystem. So, research and development project, my boss. By the way, nice sprites. I was trying to make a 2D game, but my sprites look like shit. Well, I have a short about that soon. What you're seeing here is just consistency. It's nothing special. It's actually absolutely nothing that no one could do. All of it is just take your time, do a little bit each day, and you will definitely get somewhere. 100%. Hey, Happy Rosenrot, good morning, ahoy. Hello there, Push, good morning. How are you doing, bro? I made my first basic tile set for a game I'm working on. Not the best. It's not the best, but it's good enough as a placeholder. Yeah, I mean, if you have a placeholder, all you can do later is just improve it, right? You don't have to have the best tile set just to put it in the game and then see how it looks. Maybe you know, to find out whether you need more tiles or not. Okay, and then we have those. It's exactly the same, I think. Almost. Hey Kapushman, good morning. Game is progressing? Yeah. We are now able to make progress again, which makes me really happy. It took me the last 3 days. Damn, that looks like... This should be... It should look a little bit better. Okay, that looks good. By the way, guys, I've seen the Primogen try to do the same thing that Pirate Software is doing with the shorts. Very interesting to see whether it works out for him too. Game looking better. Keep it up. Thank you, Capuchman. Moin moin Kagenet. Good morning. What's happening today? I'm going to finish this enemy. And then wait, let me think. And then we're gonna add in abilities for enemies so that they attack. Some enemies attack, some enemies don't. Good morning, Cakez, my brother. Good morning, Zent. Hello there, bro. Hope you're doing good, bro. Thanks for joining. People arrive. Why so late today? Because my capture card was showing this screen in purple. That's a new one. So I had to figure out what happened. It took me a little bit to figure out what was the issue. I had to restart both computers in the end. I see. I've also been trying to find a new flat as well, so that is also where I spent some time today.
Hello, sir. Why are you not using modern C++?
Familiarity.
Okay, now let's try to get an answer from someone who's not a complete retard.
Is this on 14? It is. Looks a bit odd. That looks a little bit better. The classic turn it off and on again, fix the problem, Lamar, yeah. It was such a weird bug, I've never seen that before. I was like, oh come on man, please. Let me just stream, please. But nope. It was like, nah bro, you ain't streaming today. It's like, of course I am. What are you talking about, bitch? Excuse me. There's got to be like a cut in here so it actually shows that it's breaking. I'll stream purple if I want to. Yeah, I was gonna do that if it didn't fix itself 100%. You know, the cool thing is I have one paper in Germany that allows me to get a flat that usually people are not allowed to get if they don't have the paper. And so I'm searching for a flat like that at the moment, and so it's cheaper, you know, and the paper expires next year. It's really cool. And also I've been watching The Witcher while doing YouTube, and I have to say I quite enjoy the season or the series. As you guys have said, 1 and 2 are okay, and then 3 is gonna go shit. That's what you guys said. I have not gotten to 3 yet. So far I really enjoy the series. I didn't expect that and I got quite addicted to it. But now I'm like balls deep in it. Good morning, everyone. Good morning, Pozelski. With modern C++, I always ask myself, do I keep it simple so anyone can read it, or do I use the newest features when there is a use? Well, that's a good idea. I like your idea of keeping it simple, because if anyone can read it, so can you read it much more easily when you come back to it, which you will. And then you're gonna ask yourself, who the fuck wrote this code? And you're gonna thank yourself when it is easy to read. And I don't think there is anything better that you can do. The more readable code is, the better. And from your comment, you acknowledge the fact that there are some features in modern C++ that are not readable or very difficult to read. And that is the sad truth. Some people would like to deny it, but that's just the truth. And it would be sad, and it is sad, that it is that way, that the community in C++ is that way. Because it would be cooler if we could all agree, or if we could all work towards making something better. But I don't know what's holding us back. Maybe it's ego, something else. I have no idea. Do they ask if you have a job? Yeah, the government asks, do you have a job? How much is your income? Oh, you don't have enough income? You get a piece of paper that tells you that, oh, you can get this flat because it's cheaper than any other flat, and you will be able to live here from now on and pay, let's say, instead of paying 1,000 every month, you pay 700 or 800, you know, which saves a lot of money. And so I'm definitely gonna use that paper. I have until next year, August, no wait, January, February, March, April. We have until April. You're paying 1,000 every month. Yeah, if you add everything together that we both share, yeah. Why don't you ask yourself, why do you need those features? What benefits gives you and what are the costs? Yeah. What kind of paper is that? Never heard about something like that. Yeah, this paper is something that you get in Germany. It's called Wohnberechtigungsschein in German. And not everyone gets those, but when you have them, it is time for you to find a flat. Cheapest rent for a crapping apartment in my town is like 2,500 a month. Damn, that's crazy. That is insane. Shit's brutal. That is brutal. Where do you live? Holy shit, man. It's like more than twice as much that I pay. You time traveler came from the future. You're from the future. Hey, I remember you from tomorrow. Willing to learn C++ and was bothering you with other questions regarding C++ and game dev. Yeah. AJ. You're called AJ, right? Thank you very much for following yesterday. And I hope you had some fun with the tutorial. It's not 100% finished yet, but I've put it on ice for now. Because it's not generating enough views at the moment. Just saying. I live near Boston, so in the United States. Alright, let's add the skeleton to the game. Enemies. There we go. Let's add those. Yep. So what time is it for you? It must be in the night, right?